And then finally, I have one last question. Yeah, this is number 11. How many feet are in a football field that's 100 yards? So I want feet in a football field that is 100 yards. So again, I'm working in this is in the imperial system. This is measuring length. So I'm looking at the imperial system. So what are the conversion factors? Well, I know that 1 mile equals 1760 yards. 1 yard here equals 3 feet. And what we can do is we can actually stop there, right? Because we're looking at yards to feet here. So all we have to convert from we have to just simply convert from yards to feet here. So we can say that our conversion factors are going to be, I have again 100 yards is what I'm starting with, and multiply that by how many feet are in a yard? Well, I know there's 3 feet in a yard, right? And I know that I want my yard at the denominator, so I can cross out the units. So therefore 3 feet will be at the top. Yards cancel out. So I have 100 times 3, which is simply 300. And I have feet left over, which is feet. So you can say, so this here is our correct answer. And we can say that therefore there are 300 feet in 100 yards. So this solution is correct because they wrote 300 feet as well. Solution is correct. Good analysis.